Hi there, my name is Fiona of the Home Detox Box, and I'm here on a Monday helping answer the major frequently asked questions that I always get asked about the Home Detox Box. The Home Detox Box is a 7-day kit that you can do at home which completely cleans your digestive system. Now, one of the main questions that I get asked when people decide that they want to do a detox, they say to me, Fiona, is it completely necessary to do the enema? I love answering this question. So I'll tell you what I always tell everybody who comes on a retreat or anybody who buys the Home Detox Box who asks me that very question. Let me explain it this way. When you do a 7-day colon cleanse detox program, deep tissue cleansing, cleaning your liver, cleaning and flushing out your kidneys, cleaning your blood, cleaning the debris from your digestion system, cleaning the mucoid plaque out. Now that's another video all in all. When you start doing a detox, in other words, you're doing a 3-day fast, so that you're helping to clean out your digestive system. Your cells and everything are going, you're not eating. So, we've actually got a good chance to clean house here. We've got a good chance to empty out all the toxins, all the debris. So they start to open up on the second day, like 48 hours into your detox, and they start opening up and releasing a lot of this debris into your colon, into your digestive tract. Now, you want that out as fast as possible, as quick as possible. You want to be able to flush your system out and get those toxins, the debris, the mucoid plaque, whatever's been stored in your cells out of your body. Now, why would you want that to re-intoxicate your body, be reabsorbed into your body? Because you haven't done an enema. The whole reason that the enema is there is so that you can flush out your whole digestive tract. You can remove what your body is deciding to release. This is no good, don't need that anymore. We can clean out these cells, we can clean out the liver, we can clean out the kidneys, we can flush out the blood. All the rubbish that you're taking out of your system, probably from a week ago, a month ago, a year ago, can you be 10 years ago? How long is it since you give your body a holiday? If you've never given your body a holiday, it's got a lot of stuff stored. Every single time you've eaten something and not chewed it properly, every single time you've eaten something and then run off to go and do something else, you've not allowed it to digest properly. There's stuff going on in your colon, in your intestines, that needs to be released. And if it doesn't get to go anywhere, your body starts reabsorbing those toxins. A bit like when you need to go for a pee and you don't, and then you think, I don't need to go anymore, because your body has reabsorbed all those toxins that you've already decided is no good to you. In the morning when you do a detox, your tongue can be very white, can be very creamy, and it's good to give it a good scrape. You don't want that going back into your body. Exactly the same as doing an enema. When you do the enema, it's really to flush out and have a release, a purge from your body, evacuate, eliminate, whatever word you want to use. You want to flush that out as fast as possible. You do not want those toxins being reabsorbed once the body has released them. This is the answer to the frequently asked question, Fiona, do I really need to do the enema when I do a detox? I remember when I first did my detox back in the year 2003, I was in Thailand. I went, I'll do the detox, but I don't think I'm up to doing the enema. And they said, well, that's your choice. And they explained something very similar to me as well, and I now enhanced it because this is, using the Dr. Bernard Jensen program for deep tissue cleansing, using Max Gerson's advice and all that kind of stuff. Enemas are really there to help the body flush out. They are an ancient healing method. So many tribes people, ancient generations, historians used enemas to clean out their whole body, usually taking a 3 or 4 day fast along with it, which allowed them to release so much of the rubbish that has been stored inside your body. You don't want that inside your body. just do the enema. Hopefully that was helpful. Again, I'm Fiona Robertson. I have the home detox box, which is this box just here that I wrote over 20 years ago. I run retreats to help people detox their body and understand what's going on in their body and how many things can be cured by doing a detox. It is just the most revolutionary thing that you can do. Don't go to the doctor, do a detox.